Hey guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick, and today we're going to unbox something from our friends over from Epson, and this is the Epson L5190. So this is a bottomless tank printer, or we call it Eco Tank here from Epson, and it has a lot of functions really. It can, of course, print A4 size, copy and scan A4 size, fax, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, rear paper input, auto copy and scan, Epson Connect, and of course, there's a 3.7 centimeter LCD display. And what I like about this one, it can print up to 13 ppm for black and 15 ppm for colored. So ISO print speed is 10 for black and 5 ISO ppm for colored. So the scan resolution can run up to 1200 by 2400 dpi, and print resolution can go up to 5760 dpi by 1440 dpi. And it of course has 4 colors here: black, yellow, magenta, and cyan. So yep, let's already unbox it, and you can see here it's packed really well as expected from company like Epson. So you have your power cord over here and some manuals. So it's packed really properly. So we got some ink over here for us to test. Like I said, there's 4 colors: black, yellow, magenta, and cyan. Everything is present over here. See, the printer is packed pretty nice. So it's about time to take it out of the box. So yeah, like 1, 2, and 3. There you go. So yep, we successfully take it out of the box, putting aside the styros. So this is how it looks like. It's pretty compact, and what I like about it is that it has a nice panel over here where you can see, and the panel looks really nice and very professional looking. And this, of course, definitely something good for you to use inside your office, even at home. There's no problem, especially when you're using heavy printing. This probably is one good solution just for you. So you can see at top, this one is used for automatic scanning and copying. So you have adjustment here for A4 letter or legal size paper. So you can adjust according to your need. It's so easy. And of course, remember, do not put paper clips or staple bullets in here. It's gonna jam it up, of course. So we'll put the paper in here, and it will come out here at the bottom. At the back, we can see the paper feeder. It's free here, so you can put all your papers here. Just need to put on this guide for it not to bend over. So this one is more suited for office use. Line in for fax machine. This one's your power in. And of course, this is the USB port at the side. Well, we even have a LAN port over here. So opening up, we can see the scanners over here. We can scan up to A4 size. Well, I wish it was legal, but A4 is pretty much enough. We can always use the scanner mode, which is here. So if you're filling ink for the first time, all you need to do is just open up this tab, open up the bottle, then insert this as instructed. So let's just put it like this. Okay, so insert. It will fill up the tank on its own. So it's very easy to use, very simple, and spill free. So if you're done, just pull it out. You can see some ink spill on the lid. You just need to wipe it out and you're good to go. Then after that, of course, just close this one and close the tank. That's it. You can see the ink level is here for black, yellow, magenta, and cyan. It's very easy. Of course, you don't want to mess up and interconnect, of course. Of course, the next thing to do is to give it some power and connect it to a computer, and we'll be testing out in a few moments. So before that, I'll be showing you all the papers that I bought from the bookstore. And these are all the papers that I'm willing to try on this printer. So I have matte sticker finish, I have the high gloss sticker paper. I have the transparent photo sticker paper. I have the satin sticker paper. I have the Oslo paper. I have the inkjet photo paper. And I have some Vellum board over here. So let's roll. So setup is finished. So it's asking me to print a test page. So let's get a paper. So we're putting in the paper. Just make sure you adjust this to fit the A4 size before we continue to print the test page. So right now we'll be printing the test page. Let's see the action. Okay, so we have successfully printed our test page. So yeah, congratulations, you have finished setting up your printer. Since this 4K photo I have taken from my drone, it's probably one of the better photos that I've taken, is what we will use for printing. So right now you can see it's default at the Epson printer. It will printing at landscape, A4 size, normal margin. Let's just make sure that it's high quality. Yes. So we'll be printing it on plain paper. So right now we'll be first trying it on a normal bond paper A4 size, which is here, my hand. So let's press print. Okay, the picture looks nice even on just a bond paper. I'm quite impressed. Let's move on to the other papers. So right now we're printing on our Oslo paper. So you can see the quality seems to look a little bit more brighter compared to that of the bond paper. So we'll be comparing it a little bit later after we finish printing everything here using the Epson L5190 printer. So yeah, this is the quality output on the Oslo paper as compared to the bond paper. Okay, so it's printing on my Vellum board. So let's see the quality. Okay, so this is what we got from the Vellum board. So you can see the texture is nice. Okay, the ink won't smudge, which is of course expected from an Epson printer. So in order to calibrate it a little bit, so we'll be setting it to a glossy paper, then print. Okay, so right now it's printing on a glossy paper, a satin paper. You have to declare what kind of paper you're using before it screws up, because each paper, it has to deploy a different method in releasing the ink. Not the same for matte, not the same for glossy, not the same for photo paper. Of course, the print would suffer if you select a different setting. Okay, so we're done printing. Yeah, this one doesn't really look that nice since we can see some smudges. Okay, so probably the ink, yeah, hadn't really dried up, so it's not so recommended on the satin sticker paper. What I can notice about this printer is that it's pretty much quiet. So unlike the olden days when printer are quite noisy, this one, the Epson printer, is definitely very quiet and very satisfying, the L5190. Okay, so it has finished printing. on this one, which looks not super impressive, but yeah, it still gets the job done. So let it dry for a while, of course, like any glossy paper. So we're printing on high gloss paper. Okay, so this looks a lot better compared to this one, which is the satin finish. The high gloss got a lot better resolution here, definitely. And it's looking dry already. Look. So right now we're printing on the matte finish sticker paper. I'm quite sure this one is fast dry, and just want to see how clear the photo would look like when printed on matte surface, like a matte photo paper or matte sticker paper, I mean. So we're almost done with the matte finish sticker paper. So there you go. So yeah, it's dry already. You can see the resolution looks as nice as the one printed on the vellum board. So I have my hopes high for this one. Printing on a photo paper. Let's just hope it does not disappoint. So the speed is almost the same as the one printing on a glossy finish. So I did set it to photo paper finish. So yeah, I do hope it won't smudge. It will give me a good resolution. Given that the photo is a 4K photo, so a high resolution photo, so definitely it should not disappoint. So here comes. From the looks of it, it looks nice. Let's wait for the final product. It's almost done. So yeah, just want to take a glimpse on how good the resolution would be. Oh my gosh, it's nice. It's definitely nice. So I can say that it really performed well on a photo paper. So what do you think, guys? Satin sticker paper? Matte finish sticker paper? Vellum board? Oslo Paper? Bond paper? High gloss finish sticker paper? Transparent photo sticker paper? And photo paper. So that's it for my printing adventure. So I can say that probably the best photo, the best printout I can say is on the photo paper. It did give it a lot of justice, giving all the details that I want to see on this printer. And it's really impressive. It was able to give me this kind of photo. So there's two papers that you should avoid printing on this printer. One is the transparent photo sticker, and two is the satin sticker paper. So guys, if you want to check where you can buy this Epson L5190 printer, which is perfect for office and heavy printing at home, check it out on the description box below. So I want to thank our friends over at Epson Philippines for giving me this chance to try out this awesome printer, which is heavy duty, heavy printing, and of course giving me nice resolution printing on a photo paper. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. And guys, reminder, my road to 100,000 subscribers still ongoing. Don't forget to join, subscribe, and of course, maybe you'll win. So I hope to see you on the next one.